Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this modern coffee table with LED lights. And first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. The first thing you'll want to do is match the parts by size with the numbered stickers facing up. That way you can easily identify each part during the assembly. And the main parts are the side panels, the tabletop, and the center shelf, and the center supports. Now inside the box you'll find the pre-organized hardware, which is a major plus because you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself. And the LED light strip comes neatly rolled up in this plastic housing, and it also comes with a remote control where you can adjust all the display modes right from your couch. One thing to be aware of is that you will need a wall charger with a USB adapter to power the LED lights, and the 9-step instruction manual can be found inside as well. So now that you're ready to assemble your coffee table, one tip to assembling this table is to build it on a safe surface. Although there is a protective plastic film on the tabletop, sharp particles can still cut through the plastic and damage the gloss finish. So always have the table on a protected surface throughout the assembly. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the coffee table, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid damaging the parts or stripping the screws. One last assembly tip when securing the LED strip underneath the table is to start by attaching the plastic clips at the 4 corners of the middle support. This will allow you to easily maneuver the LED strip to its proper position before attaching the remaining clips and then finally pressing the sticky side of the LED strip to the bottom of the table. Now, to quickly review this coffee table with LED lights, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this coffee table is awesome. First off, let's talk about that stunning gloss finish. This premium finish not only gives the table a rich and luxurious look, but also makes it resistant to stains, scratches, and scuffs. Perfect for keeping your living space looking sleek and modern. Now the color-changing LED lights hover above the middle shelf, adding a fun and colorful glow to whatever you place under them. You can choose from 16 different color settings to match your mood or the vibe of your room. So, whether you want a calming blue for a relaxing evening or a vibrant red for a lively gathering, this table has you covered. As for storage, this coffee table features a creative 2-tier design, giving you plenty of space to keep your living area tidy. You can store anything from laptops and chess sets to remote controllers and magazines, so it's not just stylish, it's also functional. And versatility is another big win with this table. Whether you place it in your living room, office, or even a meeting room, it fits right in with various decor styles. Its contemporary design adds charm, character, and elegance to any space. Now, as for the assembly, it took about an hour and 15 minutes to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, the coffee table can be completed with a regular screwdriver, but for the average person, you can expect anywhere between 2 to 4 hours for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and all the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this coffee table and would highly recommend it if you're looking to elevate your home decor with a modern piece that's fun, stylish, and practical all at once. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.